So today we're looking at Aliso Viejo Fixer. This one, the main reason why I decided to go ahead and buy it is because it's a quick fixer. One of those that it's in and out basically. So as you can see, we can change that door. We gotta replace the glass that is broken there. Obviously, we're gonna do new floors, new paint. We had to do some patches because there were leaks right here. All of this was exposed to the stud. So we had to make sure that we closed that up. And on this side, there wasn't anything here. No kitchen. And then they had those weird looking lights that I don't like. So I'm gonna go ahead and put some recessed lights up there. But it's pretty simple. It's a one bedroom condo and everything works. The water heater works. The air conditioning works. So it's pure cosmetic. The main thing here that we're changing is basically the bathroom. And I show it to you right now. So high ceilings, which is great. And the electrical panel is in good condition. We're gonna do a nice vanity here. That's cool. And this was in rough shape, but that's fine because once we removed everything, it's not bad at all. So this is pretty much it. This is a condo. That's it. One bedroom condo. The project is probably going to take me 4 weeks tops from beginning to end. Well, I should say from the moment I bought it until I put it on the market. And this is pretty much it. It's a very nice community in Aliso Viejo, right? It's on the second floor. It's only one story, but it's on the second floor. Overlooking the parking area. So very nice. Again, we're gonna make it look modern, but it's a simple one. I usually don't buy this type of condos, but I was like, I don't think it's gonna take me too long. It's a decent profit. I'm not gonna make a lot of money on this, but that's fine. It's a quick project. So sometimes you gotta go with it. Hopefully everything turns out okay. And yeah, this is it. I mean, we have to replace that over there, but that's pretty simple. So we just gotta make sure that everything is working there. And like I told you guys, the water heater works. We'll gotta replace that window. The water heater is actually tankless. Look at that, it's new. And the air conditioning is also new. So this is another example of never say you won't do projects like this because it's quick. And at the same time, I'm already looking for a bigger project. So I got 2 going on. I'm working on getting the 3rd one and hopefully everything works out well, so that we can have a very successful 2026.